Hey, curious minds, ready to unbox your next big find? Every episode of Unbox Solutions with me dives deep into Amazon gems, smart hacks, and surprising solutions you might not know existed. From combat boots to kitchen gadgets, we unbox them all, up close, unfiltered, and just for you. Tag along as we refresh, relax, and renew your everyday routine, one product at a time. Catch new episodes every Tuesday on YouTube at My Coach Ministry. Hit subscribe, smash that bell, and never miss a reveal.
All right, so this is what we're doing. All right, so here's our box. Oh, hold on. Yes, so here's our box for today, Amazon. So I'm gonna put on my gloves. Remember our safety tips. Remember those safety tips. Protecting yourself, protect your information. And after we unbox this, then we'll go through the tip for the day. Yeah, all right. All right, go. All right. So we take that out. And take that out. This is one. Oh, hang on here. I know something was missing. It's like, what's missing? What do I usually do? Okay, hang on here. This is a package that we're opening right now. Yeah. I think it's like 4 items. Yeah, all right. So let's put these on top so you can see them. There we go. Okay. So since this is right here, let's just open this. So this is the first one that we're opening. Yeah. Right, here we go. There we go. Ooh, I like the material. Okay. Yeah. Here we go. You like it? I like it. I love the material. So there we go. That's number one. I like to put them there. And then this one now is, right, I think this one. All right, where do we open? Right here. Right here. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Here we go. Okay. Here we have it. I'm gonna flip out tonight. So that's that one. That's what that is. See? Yeah. Right. And this one, that one is this right here. Let's put it out. So plastic, there's a thing right here. Right. There we go. in the box. This is the part that goes onto the wall. This part, so there's, oh, I got multiple of them. Goes onto the wall. And this is where the phone goes into this one. Yeah. Yeah. That's it. Okay. So that's what, three of them, 3 pieces already opened. All right. Final piece. Uh-huh. So that's this one. Here. Yeah. Multiple pieces. Uh-huh. We have the bits. We have these. And you have this. All right. You put them right here. There are the poles. And you have more bits. These are the screws. Yeah. They're the legs. All right. So these are what we're unboxing for today. Ta-da! Yes, those are what we're unboxing for today. Amazing. Now let's go to our unboxing tip for today. Uh-huh. All right. So our unboxing tip for today. So our top tip: never show shipping labels, receipts, or barcodes. Sorry. Our top tip for today: never show shipping labels, receipts, or barcodes. Blur, cut, or cover them before filming. If you notice, I make sure I remove my private information. Excuse me. If you notice, I make sure I remove my private information before I even bring the box here, before I unbox anything, right? So always protect your information. And also before you dump the things, your garbage, make sure your information is not there. Why? These tiny tags can reveal your full name, home address, or order number, phone number, and even payment information. Scammers use this data for doxing, identity theft, or account hacks. Bonus creator tip: do a quick 360 check before hitting record. Your background, screen reflections, and packaging slips can leak more than you think. Edit like a detective. Share like a strategist. Okay, so that's your unboxing tip for today. Thank you so much for staying with us so far. Now let's go over to our final segment. I love to open new packages. I want to deliver the latest information on top funding opportunities for entrepreneurs who are seeking funding. Come along with me. I'm Coach Racquel, and this is a passion project for me, so I am so happy to bring this to you. Thank you so much for listening. Thank you for watching.
Unlock your potential every Thursday with our podcast, Refresh, Relax, Renew. Join Coach Racquel as she guides you through personal development journeys. Each episode focuses on actionable steps to enhance your personal journey. The podcast features 3 main segments to keep you engaged. We start with discussions on trending topics relevant to your growth. Then we unbox solutions to common challenges we face daily. Finally, stay updated with fresh funding opportunities each week. Tune in every Thursday for new episodes, and see you there.